The word of contraction toll.
Excavator, truck used in mining operations, capable of carrying hundreds of tons of rock. Dump truck, a dump truck. Bulldozer, a bulldozer has a large blade. Heavy hauler truck, this is a super heavy duty truck, long blade in the middle, used to create flat surfaces, especially in road construction. Forklift, a forklift has forks at the front for backhoe, a backhoe combines a front.
Number 1. Dump truck.
Dump truck. A dump truck is designed to transport materials like sand, soil, or gravel. It has a large bed at the back that can be tilted to unload material, saving time and effort at construction sites.
Number 2. Skid loader.
Skid loader, a small compact loader with either wheels or tracks, used for excavating, snow clearing, or moving materials in tight spaces.
Number 3. Wheel loader.
Wheel loader. A wheel loader has large tires and a front bucket used to scoop and transport materials like soil, sand, or rocks at construction sites.
Number 4. Pile driver.
Pile driver, a machine used to drive steel or concrete piles into the ground, providing strong foundations for buildings and other structures.
Number 5. Grapple excavator.
Grapple excavator, an excavator equipped with a grapple attachment, used for picking up and moving materials like wood, scrap metal, or waste.
Number 6. Crane.
Crane, a crane is used to lift and move heavy material. Types include tower cranes, mobile cranes, and crawler cranes.
Number 7. Mixer truck.
Mixer truck, a mixer truck has a rotating drum at the back, used to mix and transport fresh concrete to construction sites. The drum ensures the concrete stays wet and doesn't harden during transit.
Number 8. Road roller.
Road roller, a road roller compacts and flattens soil or asphalt, creating stable and smooth surfaces during road construction.
Number 9. Mining dump truck.
Mining dump truck, this is a massive dump truck used in mining operations, capable of carrying hundreds of tons of rocks or minerals. Examples include the Caterpillar 797 Fahrenheit and Balaz 75710.
Number 10. Exsavator.
Excavator, a versatile machine with a large bucket, arm, and rotating cab. It's used for digging, grading, demolition, and many other tasks.
Do not forget to my channel. Like, subscribe,